Look, man, same day, man, just a different location, man. I had to stop and grab some stuff for the house, but look what I got for y'all today, man. Ooh, big BMW 430i. Look at that, 2018, man. Look at these. These is crazy. I like these. Got the little pipe sticking out the back. Little 5-spoke wheels. Now this got the little this does have the M appearance package. So what that is all these little M's, they gonna appear pretty much all over the car. So you got them here on the wheels. Sorry, man, don't mind the wheels. They're a little dirty right now. Car a little dirty, but look at them. Look at the wheels. Look at the wheels. I like the new LED lights on the BMWs is crazy. But let's jump right into it. So look, they got this little fish scale right here. It is not functional, just for looks. Make it look good. I don't know if y'all can see that, but make it look good. It's not active. It doesn't work. You got the LED turn signals on the mirror, and that's pretty much it. Besides the wheels in the front, they don't really have too much going on this car right here. So just the front grille. Look at that. BMW always look good. Always. They got the signature lights, man. You can't beat those. They always look good on any BMW, no matter what series you get. They always look good. Boom. But anyway, let's get right to it, y'all. Jump in the inside, check it out. Get right in the inside, check it out. So another thing with the coupes, what I'm starting to notice is all the coupes got these little window things. You just pop this little window security type lock. Ooh, little Porsche. Okay. Anyway, so when you open the door, the window drop down, so you can open it just like that, like so. Now y'all know when y'all getting the BMW, man, y'all getting all them premium leathers, all that good stuff. So all of this is nice leather wrapped, all stitched up. Now this isn't carbon fiber, but it's another nice little pattern they got going on in here. I don't know what that is, but it look good. You got all your power controls, windows, all that stuff, and for the back window and all that. So when you drop the top on them. Leather seats, gotta have leather seats, man. It's hot though, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Like I said, it's 90 degrees today, so I almost burnt my legs sitting down. So look at that. Let's jump in real quick. Now you got another, oh, I'm sorry, man, hold on, let me show y'all that real quick. So you get another M right here. So this comes with that M appearance package right here. So you got an M right here, you got an M down here on the steering wheel, and the steering wheel is so nice, and it's got all the nice little bolsters on it for driving all that stuff. Look at the big paddle shifters they got on it. I like those is real. Yo, this transmission, whatever transmission they got in this car is like quick. Like as soon as you hit them, it's boom quick, boom quick, boom quick. I gotta show y'all that once we go on the drive, but let me start it up real quick just so y'all can see the little touchscreen. So again, standard with most BMWs, you got the little touchscreen up here. Everything for your touchscreen is right here. Real easy, real simple. You got the turn knob, or you could do the little touchpad, and then you push it in and hit any of the buttons. So I usually keep it on nav just because I like the way the map look. There you go. That's pretty much it. It's got every other, you know, modern technology feature to it. It's got all the Bluetooth. It's got all the navigation, the sound systems, all that stuff. It got everything in there that you pretty much could use. But this is what I like. This is what I like and don't like. But BMW is pretty much known for this. It's their little classic analog. Like nobody else analog looks like BMWs. You see this, you know it's a BMW. Like that's what I like about BMW. But again, it's 2018, man. Y'all still putting analogs in here. Come on, BMW. Y'all got so much money, man. All them N-Series, them $140,000 M-Series, M4s, all that. Come on. Put some analogs in here, man. Make it look good. Mercedes-Benz, that's where Mercedes is killing all that. Mercedes got the whole screen digital. So BMW, man, change that up, man. Add some newer stuff in here, man. Got some storage space in there. We got a USB port right there to charge up your phone. 2 cup holders here, you can close that. You got a little cubby space right here. Now this still takes CDs. Like I haven't seen a CD player in a car in a while, but it still takes CDs, y'all. Still takes CDs. No, we got the glove box. some stuff in there, BMW information, all that good stuff, BMW manuals. You got some storage space over there on that side. And again, that trim piece is all the way throughout. So you start with the door, then it comes over here to the top and over across the dash too. So I like it. I mean, it's a little dirty, but I like this. It's different. And again, they got the top dash with that soft leather. It's a BMW, man. You know what you getting with a BMW. Honestly, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I'm not about to try to fit in the back. It's kind of small back there, but you got 2 cup holders right there and some storage space behind it. Let's pop the trunk and the hood. So to pop the hood, this is different. You gotta pull it twice. So boom, boom, to open it, and then we gonna pop the trunk. Show y'all how much room we working with. Ooh, look at that, baby. BMW always keep it clean when it comes to the engine bay. Real simple. Just motor and then all a bunch of plastics to cover up pretty much everything. Because BMW really don't want you messing with their stuff. They want you to bring it to them so they can do all the services and stuff. So right on that engine cover, look, twin power turbo BMW, man. Just so y'all don't think I'm playing, it's a BMW 2018. Now look at the key though. The key fly. I like the key. Just you know, it's simple, but it just look nice. So unlock. Just the BMW button in the middle is the lock button, which is cool. And then you got the trunk button and you got panic. So look at that. That's nice though. I like the way that look good to me. I like that. Even though, like I said, it's simple, but it still look good. Real simple. Now what power in there? It's only 248. So there y'all go, man. Just like that. Boom, we're gonna close that. We're gonna show y'all how much we got in the trunk room. That's pretty much it, man, because it's a drop top. That's all you get. You get your little space over here. Probably get a little bit of room under there, but that's it. A little space over there. And that's it. That's all you get under there. Because you know it's a hard top drop top, man. What these little buttons do, I don't know what those do, but again, man, where I get all my whips from, man, Marina Dodge, man, in Webster, New York, man. Call him up, check him out. I'm gonna put their phone number right in the video below, and it's gonna be in the description, so check it out. But let's go ahead and take this quick drive, man. I'm gonna show y'all. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, I forgot too. These have the memory seats and automatic seats, so you can set them 1 and 2 to set. And then oh look at that little detail right there. That's nice. See that M appearance package, man. Those little details on everything. I haven't seen no other M's nowhere. That's it. When I used to grow up, man, funny thing, I used to grow up with BMWs, man. They used to tell me that these were for a black man working hard. Get you a BMW if you're working hard, man. You black. It's crazy. Grow up. But let's go on this quick drive, y'all. So boom, all you gotta do is hit the pedal. Boom. Start just like that. I like these little shifters. They're like, you know, they're real in the future, but they cool. I like the way you work them. So just like most cars, you gotta push the pedal, then you gotta click this button right here. There's a button, you gotta hold it in and push down to get it in drive, and then you could just push up for neutral, up for reverse. Oh, you gotta hold it, I'm sorry, you gotta hold it again and push it up for reverse. But for park, all you gotta do is boom. That's it, real easy. Now this does have a backup camera, so let me show y'all the backup camera. There you go. Real clear. BMW always got real clear backup camera. So, and it's got the full, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's got the full like 360 above the car view too, which is awesome. I think that's cool. But let's go on this quick drive real quick, y'all. I'm about to whip this thing like I stole it. Put the seatbelt on. Alright, we out, man. The exhaust on this don't sound too good. Like I said, it's a 4-cylinder, but it do got the little crackles and the pops though. Dang, I need some shades. I don't know, maybe I might be able to hear it. Gonna step on it a little bit. Ooh, that sun is killer, yo. I'm already black, man. Oh, this got that auto start thing. Oh, I don't like that. We're gonna have to turn that off immediately. Ooh, your boy cruising in the drop top. Come on, man, y'all messing up the groove. This little 4-cylinder do work. Dang. Oh yeah, I could drive this all day, man. Come on, let's go. Green light, green light. Yo, this gotta be one of the most, oh man. This car drives plus. Came off. I don't know what's going on with that. Oh, that's crazy. Man, I ain't a big fan of coupes, but this is nice. Just cause it dropped the top, man. It dropped the top on you. Ooh, that turbo sound good. Boom. 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 Yo, the gears change so fast though. That is crazy. It's probably my first car. I'm just probably so used to my car where it take almost a whole millisecond, 5 milliseconds to change the gears. This junk is instant, son. Watch the downshift. Watch the downshift. Boom, real quick. Boom. That is crazy. I can't get over that, man. Can't get over that. After driving this, man, I definitely need something with a better transmission. Ooh, the little turbos sound good, man. Could barely hear them, but they sound good. But that's it, man. We back to the dealer, man. This BMW was nice. I don't know what happened with this falling out. Dang. But anyway, that's it, man. Stay tuned for the next video, y'all. I appreciate y'all for watching, man. Make sure y'all subscribe. Stay tuned, man. Drop a like and a comment, baby. Let me know what y'all think about these videos. And this BMW, man. It's for sale, man. It's for sale. And again, y'all know who I deal with, man. Right there, man. Marina Dodge. Webster, New York, man. They got Jeep, Ram, Chrysler, Dodge, everything you need. Everything you need, man. Look, they got, and y'all know it's summertime, so they got these scat packs up here for sale. Hold on, let me get my stuff. I'm gonna show you how these quick scat packs they got. Like, look at this. They got that plum crazy scat pack up here, man. Listen, man, they got all the whips, everything y'all would need. Woo. Big Brembos, 392, 6.4 liter Hemi in there, man. 485 horsepower, man. Look at that bad boy. Let me show y'all one more. They got this F8 green one too. Just so y'all know, man. Don't mess with them. Look at this F8 green scat pack. This F8 green is crazy. Look at that. Got the nice wheels on it, red Brembos, 392, man, 6.4 liter, 485 horsepower, y'all. Stop playing. The review coming for this soon, man. They just got them in, so I couldn't get my hands on one. Look at that. Come on, man. Marina Dodge, man. That's it, y'all. Marina Dodge, man. Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, baby. And they got the Mitsubishi dealership right across the side, right on the side of the building. So if you need a New Mitsubishi, the new Eclipse, they just came out. They got all of those, man. So come check them out. They got used whips all over the place. And talk to Shane, man. If Shane ain't here, Shane will probably lead you to somebody else. And I'm telling you, they gonna work a deal for you on any car you want. Yo, it's hot, I ain't gonna lie. I'm so hot. But again, man, I'm out. Yo, man, appreciate y'all for watching the video, man. Stay tuned for more, man. Subscribe to the channel. And I'm out, y'all. Peace.